Reduce the pain of vaccination in babies. Controlling pain during vaccination with your state of mind. Be there for your baby. Having a parent there makes a baby feel more secure. During vaccinations, be calm, use your normal voice, and be positive. This will make it better for your baby. Your baby looks to you for how to act and feel, so you can make it better or worse. If you're stressed, your baby will pick up on that, and that will make your baby more stressed too.
One of the best ways to quickly become less stressed is to take a few deep belly breaths while holding your infant. Your baby will feel your rhythmic breathing, and this alone is very calming. Simply take a slow, deep breath through your nose for 3 seconds, counting to yourself 1, 2, 3, and breathing so that it is your belly and not your chest that expands. And then exhale through your mouth for 3 seconds, counting 1, 2, 3. Take 3 breaths like this while cuddling your baby.
The way the mother smiles, the way the mother holds the baby, the way the mother talks, or it's the tone of the voice, and sometimes it's the language they use.
During distressing times like immunizations, the best thing to do, after you let them know that you are there for them by bringing them close, is to talk about anything but the needle or the pain, and with a normal tone of voice. Even if your baby doesn't understand your words, they understand your tone.
I know. That was kind of annoying, wasn't it? You want to get down and play.
You want to play with your brother and do bubbles.
This is one of the many ways of reducing your baby's pain during vaccinations. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.